Quarter. Not now. Quarter. Hold on. Quarter. Just a minute. Quarter.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Monongalia County Sheriff's Office and the Monongalia County Fire Department. The Monongalia County portions of I-79 and I-68 are closed due to a severe incident at West Virginia University. Please note that Chestnut Ridge Road and West Virginia Route 7 are also closed. These roads will be closed until the situation is resolved.
Blue! No! How could it be?
The phrase, "we're trained to offer them, I'm sorry for your loss," as we know now, doesn't offer much.
Morgantown Police Department. Citizens are highly advised to avoid traveling out at night. At 4:02 a.m., hostile creatures were reported to have dispersed throughout Morgantown. These creatures have been described as a sphere with colors resembling various national flags and knives. These creatures have also been reported to be holding various weapons. This event impacts people in Morgantown and neighboring areas, including Patson Drive, Donna Boulevard, University Avenue, and Stewart Street. People in other areas in Monongalia County are not affected at this time. For the safety, you should dial 304-291-7280 in the event that you see a moving sphere-like creature, and avoid going out at night. The simple emergency message remains in effect until further notice. This message will be updated in 1 day, or sooner if needed. For more information, check www.monongaliacounty.gov or tune to local news media. Please do not call 911 except to report a serious emergency.
Warwick Brown was a young boy when his parents passed away. Much too young to learn that life can be so tragically short. But I think that it taught him how precious life is.
Messages being transmitted at the request of the West Virginia Emergency Management Division. All citizens within Monongalia, Marion, and Wetzel must evacuate now. At 2:14 p.m., aggressive sphere-like creatures with colors of various national flags and attacking people with various weapons have been reported within the aforementioned counties. It is highly recommended that you dial 304-7462115 in the event that you spot one of these creatures. This This event impacts people in northern West Virginia, including areas west of Monongahela River and areas along Interstate 250. People in other areas of northern West Virginia are not affected at this time. For your safety, you must leave now. Evacuate via Interstates 119 and 50. Please observe normal traffic laws. Take only those essential items you have ready. Bring prescription medications and identification. Do not load or collect other belongings. Lock your windows and doors as you leave. Bring pets in a carrier or on a leash. If you have neighbors or co-workers who need help, or do not have transportation, offer to assist them. If you are physically unable to leave your home unassisted, call 304-746-2115 for help. Do not call 911 unless it is absolutely necessary to do so. Evacuate the area immediately. Stay away until further notice. For more information, check m.wv.gov or tune to local news media.
Others. All coupon proceeds benefit your local community. All coupons benefit you. Bon time.
When it comes to gas mileage, our
Shelter-in-place warning for northern West Virginia and southwest Pennsylvania. All citizens receiving this alert are highly advised to lock all of their doors and prepare for the event of a break-in. A group of aggressive creatures have been reported in your area and are currently breaking into people's homes. These creatures appear as spheres that have eyes without pupils and are cartoons, along with having the colors of various national flags and fictional flags of unknown origin. These creatures have various weapons and will attack on sight, along with having the ability to immediately convert anyone into one of these creatures after contact. A continuous curfew is in effect until further notice. Do not call 911 unless it is absolutely necessary. If you spot one of these sphere creatures, do not hesitate to defend yourself. For more information, check your local state government website or tune into local news media and internet sources.
Out of the cold total warehouse liquidation sale going on now at both Park Avenue Coat Company locations. Open Monday through Saturday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Everything must go.
Someone needs Jeffrey Friedman, someone who should be receiving Social Security disability benefits, but
Windows Vista, like how to protect their children online and monitor how long they use the computer.
You could actually program it and limit the time.
I can find out everything she's doing.
You could put it longer, you could choose which days.
Because I find them up at 2 o'clock in the morning sometimes, still searching the web.